Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're in the den, as you can see. And first thing I want to say is we all like girls that are flexible, right? We love a girl that can bend in many ways. And with that, Huawei and Phantom finally came out with their triple bend phones or triple foldable phones. Whatever you want to call it, I'm excited to see it because it's been a while since we've seen anything major in the hardware section. And Huawei and Phantom or Tecno decided, hey, let's change that up. So Huawei finally announced their name for their phone. I can't be upset. It's a good name. It's the Huawei Mate X uh, name right there. You'll see it, and it's gonna be a heavy price, but it's not nothing bigger than what Samsung is charging us now for a fold that only opens up and wide. Missionary after missionary after missionary. Google come with the same missionary after missionary. Yes, get my mind back on track. Yes. So these phones can bend in three ways. And we like to see that. So what I'll do is put a picture here of the Huawei. And I'll put a picture here of the Tecno Phantom. The name will be here too. Tell me what you think, guys. Is it good? Is it something you've been waiting for? If it's not, I understand. But for some reason, I'm thinking it's not going to sell as well because it's not Samsung, it's not Apple, it's not Google, and it's not anything that's like, oh yeah, I got to spend my money here. It's just Huawei and Tecno. They're premium phones, don't get me wrong, but they're not as premium should be or as premium is. So just let me know if you're gonna cop one. Then again, they're expensive and no one's gonna spend so much money on Huawei and Tecno. But that's just my thoughts. What do you think, guys? I'm crazy excited to see these devices. Let's hope these devices live up to the expectations and deliver on what's ever been promising. Oh, and just right here, there's gonna be a clip of the Tecno phone. There was actually a YouTube video on their channel about their phone that they're releasing out. If you don't see it, it's obviously because copyright issues. So just get yourself ready for that. 2027, 2026. It's gonna be a crazy year. I'm telling you that. For phones all over, it's gonna be a crazy year. But that's it, guys. I'm about to get out of this den and go get my car washed and get the oil change and go back to work. Hey, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. Tell your girl about me. Tell your family about me. Tell your friend about me. JTech Den. Period. Also coming out with a banger content. As you can see, the editor is downloading. It's just that bang, guys. My normal editors won't do it. So, whatever that is, I think it's Sharp, whatever, OpenShot or something. That way I can give you guys good content. So you can hit that like and subscribe button more. I need you guys to do that. Anyways, that's about it, guys. Thank you.